Tape www.suividecolosénégal.com. À École au Sénégal, c'est facile, tu n'as qu'à te connecter. Tape École au Sénégal, les leçons sont beaucoup plus détaillées.
Present continues. We started off with present tense, and I told you all about the present simple. Action that is happening now, action that happens constantly, action that happens regularly, a fact, a habit, a usual thing. Present continuous, we're still with the present. Present continuous is an action that is happening now and it's still continuing to happen. Something that started in the present and it's continuing to happen. Thus, the word continues. For example, I am teaching. Right now, I'm in the present and I'm doing something right now. I am teaching at the moment. You are listening. You are listening. Tu es en train d'écouter. So you're sitting right now, presently now, listening. I am standing. I am up. I'm here. I'm standing up. And so it's a continuous action. Okay? And so it's as simple as that. It's an action that is at the present, but yet is going on. It's continuing. That is a present continuous tense. And I have on the board, as easy as you can put it, present continuous, it's simple. You add ing to the verb. That's it. You add ing. So you're conjugating the verb to be plus ing to the verb, actually. For example, I am. To be, I am teaching, I am. Teach is the verb plus ing, teaching. So on the board you have the positive, the question form, the negative form, and of course short responses. And so on the board you have positive, I am, verb to be, you are, he, she, and it, third person singular. You know, we are, they are. He, she, it is. He is. He, she, it is. We are eating. They are playing. You know. And then here you have the short form of it. See, we've taken out the A. You have you have your, he is, she's, it's a boy, it's rolling, she's driving, he's sleeping, we're dancing, they are drawing. That's the contracted form. You use this actually for informal, but for the formal, like I said, you have to do complete sentences. They are, we are, he, she, it is, plus the verb and ing. You see? And then in the question form, am I coming? That's a question. Am I coming? Come. The verb, coming. You're conjugating the continuous. Am I coming? Are you doing your homework? Doing, faire. Are you doing your homework? Is he asleep or is he sleeping? Is she driving? Is it blending? Is it working? You see, the verb plus ing. Are we talking now? Are they traveling tomorrow? Travel, voyage. Are they traveling tomorrow? So that's a question format. Of course, it ends with a question mark. We know that. And then you have the negative format. Anything that is negative, it has the dot. We know that already. It has a dot. I am not coming. Je ne viens pas. You're not sleeping over. He's not going to the supermarket. She's not playing tonight. It is not opening today. We are not having that conversation. They are not baking today. Not, that's negative. But instead of I am not, you can say I'm not coming. You're not talking. He isn't watching TV. She isn't talking. We aren't, discussing that today. They aren't, cooking. And then of course you have short responses. Yes, I am. Are you all right? Yes, I am. Yes, you are. I'm not coming tonight. Yes, you are. Yes, you're coming. Yes, he is. Yes, she is. Yes, it is. It is a boy. Yes, it is. Yes, we are happy. Yes, they are. No, I'm not. No, you're not. No, he or she is not. No, we are not. No, they're not. Of course, this is a contracted form. I'm not. Yes, I am. I'm not. You aren't. He, she, it isn't. Or it's not, isn't. We aren't. They aren't coming. We aren't sleeping over. You aren't talking to me. Or I'm not, dancing. I'm not finishing that paper tonight. So these are present continuous. Please remember that it's the auxiliary to be conjugated in the present simple tense plus the verb, and then you add ing form to it. If it's in a negative, of course you have to put the not to it, and then the verb and the ing. And these are some of the responses that you can have, short responses to certain questions, not necessarily present continuous or general questions, and then this is the question format, if you want to use them. It's a question format for present continuous tense. Am I, are you, aren't you coming, aren't you coming, ne viens-tu pas, are you coming, viendras-tu? And of course the questions enter the question mark. So please practice your present continuous, your present simple, because there are things that you do in present time. It's very important. In our next class, we'll be looking at, other tenses. I hope that helps you. Thank you, and see you later.
Tape 3W suivi d'école au Sénégal.